What is goody, my gang? Today I'm going to tell you how to make a good fart sound. So first, you're going to take your hand, like basically the back of your hand, or you can take your arm for a deeper fart sound. And you're just going to blow like... Also, you're going to want to do like that a bit to the side. So it's going to be like... Or you can do it on your arm, like here. Or you could do it somewhere else, like on your bed sheets to make it sound like a... I don't know why I'm making this video. Make it sound like a fart on a bed sheet. You gotta play like that. I don't know when I made that video. I just wanted to.